Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's how-to video for today. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one as I've never done this before, so it's a new thing to me, but I'm going to show you how to do it so that you can try it as well. So today's how-to video is going to be how to grow pineapples. Yes, you can grow them in the UK. I only found that out this year, and they don't grow on trees, they grow on plants. Which I also learnt this year. Everybody thinks that they grow on trees. As the song goes, agga do do do, push pineapple, shake the tree. So the song is telling lies. So today we are going to learn how to plant a pineapple. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to get is one pineapple, or as many as you want to grow. So get a nice healthy one which is nice and green like this. You don't want it to be dying at the top, you need it nice and healthy, so this is perfect. So what you need to do then is get a knife and you want to chop it off near the top. Doing it very carefully. So then you're left with this pineapple which you can eat. You don't need that. So then you get the top bit and you grab hold of the leaves and you twist it off just like that, leaving this bit. This is going to be your plant. Then you don't need that, you can eat that bit if you want to. So that's perfect. So then you need to pull off these bottom leaves, because this is where it's going to root from. Keep pulling them off so you've got quite a bit to plant and get under the soil. That should do it. And the roots will come from these brown bits at the bottom. So next we need to let it dry out for a bit before we can plant it, but I'm going to show you how to do it today so that we know what we're doing. If you've got any root hormone powder, you can put that on the bottom to help the roots grow. Obviously you don't want much pineapple on the bottom because it'll just rot at the bottom of it, so that's why you need to let it dry out for a bit. So I'm going to plant this now and show you what to do. Next you need a decent sized plant pot. This is going to stay in this plant pot for possibly 6 months to a year, so it needs to be a decent size. So next we need some compost. Multi-purpose compost will do fine. So let's fill up our plant pot with compost. So once you have filled up your plant pot with compost, we are ready to plant our pineapple. So basically all you're doing is sticking that straight into the compost, just like that. And then all you need to do is give it some water to moisten it in. We'll do another one. Nice and filled. Then we get as pineapple top. Here's one I prepared earlier, as they say on Blue Peter. Just stick that into the soil. And we'll water it in. So then after about a month or so, obviously some of the leaves will probably die off, but if you give it a gentle little tug, you'll be able to see if the roots have taken. So that is how you plant pineapple. So let me know how you get on. So altogether I've got 3 pineapple plants. I might start a couple more off, but we'll see. Growing pineapples is not fast and it's not quick. They take about 2 to 3 years to grow a pineapple on them, so it's a very slow process. These need to be kept in your greenhouse or in your polytunnel. Polytunnels are ideal for them, as I've read up, as it's the right climate and right moisture and stuff. So I will put these in my polytunnel and get them growing. So I'll keep you up to date with how they get on. So thank you for watching today's how-to video on how to grow pineapples. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt something from it, and I hope you're going to try it. Keep me posted on how you get on. Send me some photos on my Facebook page. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date with latest videos of what I post, including tips, advice, recipes now. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video, and remember, keep gardening.